Welcome back to the new episode. We're in the car driving, and we've been driving for 9 hours or so, at least 9 hours, and we hit up a few vending machines already, but we haven't seen anything too interesting. We've gotten ourselves some peanut M&Ms, which are really good, and yeah, and we're wondering, Wheeler, what are you thinking of the vending machines?
You're putting me on the spot.
Alright, cut. This is a live channel, no clickbait, the real life stuff. This is what we pride ourselves for, the real life stuff, no clickbait, no edits. Okay, Nate. Glory to you. So you see, we've got a couple of Class A goofballs absolutely speeding through the work zone, because these American work zones want you to slow down, to be respectful of the waiters. It's horrible. I see the detritus on this marshmallow. This guy's going, no, slow down. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Big hill. Oh my god. And let us remind you, this is not in kilometers per hour. We have just hit 106 American miles per hour.
Okay, bald eagles per football field. Bald eagle wingspan per football field.
We have just gone 106 bald eagle wingspans per football field. It is crazy. Bald eagle wingspans per baseball inning. Because you need a time measurement as well. And I guess you clicked on this video because you wanted to hear about our secret vending machine in Kentucky. It really was a miraculous vending machine. Really Dude, yeah. That music is schizo. It is effing schizo. Oh my god. So basically, the Kentucky vending machine just had something really spectacular in it. And you guys want to know what it was? It was .33 millimeter ammo cartridges. And next to the ammo cartridges was squirrel pellets. It was crazy. Absolutely crazy. When I came away like a demon, she had gotten 2 squirrel pellets and 1 round of .33 millimeter ammo cartridge for when we go to the shooting range tomorrow. So,
Show them the shrine.
Nate wants to show the shrine off. Who are these people, Nate?
This is the Virgin Mary. Baby Jesus.
Baby Jesus.
And that is the voodoo doll.
The voodoo. What are we doing voodoo on?
Broke motherfuckers.
We giving broke motherfuckers hell. We giving them a hard time in these streets. I'm not swerving in it. Whoa. No, don't play with us, Nate. Okay, you have something to say?
No, I don't think so.
No? Do you want... Yeah, give a very nice smile for the camera. Do you want to give the viewers a thumbs up? Yay! Okay, everybody, click on our link tree and make sure you subscribe.
Don't forget, like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And we'll see you next time.
Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, and subscribe. Subscribe.